Okay, spring is time for transplanting, and the best time to do it is before your last frost because it's cooler, and once the sun warms up, which around here is middle May, it's hard to do things and you have to give them water. If you transplant before the last frost, you don't always have to give them water. You can if you want, it certainly wouldn't hurt, but you can get a lot more done that way. So the first thing I want to move is these hollyhocks, and I started them from seed last year. The problem with hollyhocks is they're a tall plant, but they need a lot of sun, and I don't want them shading out the rest of the garden. So I'm going to put them over here along the garage, and that way they'll get a lot of sun here. And as long as the sun is up until like late in the evening, or say 6 or 7 or so, they'll be getting sun right there. The sun goes down over that way. So this is a great sunny area, and I don't have to worry about shading anything else out. So with these two, there's 2 hollyhocks here. Hollyhocks are a nice perennial. I forgot to dig the hole first. I went through here this morning and spaded up this area so it would be easier to work. So right now I'm just going to dig a hole. Okay, there's a nice hole for that. So then I'm going to come over here and get this debris out of here. And try and pick it up without breaking up this root ball. Look at all the worms in there. That's because there's a lot of organic material here in the garden, and the worms make great soil in your garden. So just carry it over here without breaking up the root ball, and try to get it in here at the same depth that it was growing in the garden. Just slide it off with the shovel and push the dirt back in around it. Okay, there's one more over here. There's actually 2 of them there, it looks like. I'm not going to try and break them up. There's that, the same ground riddle that was already growing. Just slide it off your shovel and push the dirt back in around it. I can come out later on, put water on this, or this time of year it's not critical unless the weather is hot. So it's only about 60 out here now. So that's 2 of the hollyhocks done. And tomorrow I'm going to do these lilies here. These are stargazer lilies. I planted 1 bulb there last year, and it grew into all those. And stargazer lilies are really good smelling. So I'm going to dig those up, and if I can, separate the bulbs and put them out front. So I'm going to do that tomorrow if you're watching. So I'll talk to you later on, and if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. And I will talk to you next time. And thanks a lot.